So Blackview has announced the FORT 200, which is obviously the successor of the FORT 100. For now, there are no details about its specs, except for the fact that the phone would have a 108 MP main camera. Now, if you look closely at the FORT 200, you realize that it looks a lot like the FORT 5. Yeah, they have very identical designs. And just like the FORT 5, the FORT 200 screams rugged. The back panel has that aggressive industrial pattern, sharp geometric lines, layered textures, and a bold two-tone finish that instantly gives it a tough outdoors ready vibe. The device is expected to arrive in two color combos, including orange and black. Now, if you look closely at the camera module, it doesn't just sit there randomly, it's integrated into the design language of the back. The shapes and lines flow into the camera housing, making it feel like part of the structure rather than an afterthought. And as I said earlier, the device looks a lot like the FORT 5. I mean, there's just this huge resemblance. The FORT 2 clearly follows the same rugged design DNA, bold textures, strong angles, industrial detailing, but it looks a bit more refined and slightly more modern. Think of it as an evolution rather than a redesign. Now, as I said earlier, the specs of this device are not reviewed except for its main camera, which is said to be 108 MP. And since this device looks a lot like the FORT 5, I'm expecting it to pack identical specs as well. The FORT 5, as we know, is a 4G rugged phone from Blackview, powered by the Helio G100 processor with a really nice design. One of the thinnest and lightest rugged phones too, rated IP68 and IP69K, and tons of other cool features. So this device may actually be very similar to the FORT 5, but we cannot actually say that yet. As for its release date and price, they are not reviewed as well, but I'm expecting the FORT 200 to launch in March. And once I get the full details of the device, including its price and official release date, I'll definitely share with you guys, so make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So this is the update I have for you. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.